Carolina South.
Yeah! It's Thursday, May the 17th. The whole entire world will be posted up at Club 21 in Orangeburg, South Cat. It's the official mixtape and video release for Eldorado Red's I Supply the Town. As a matter of fact, Eldorado talk to him.
Yeah, what's happening? It's Eldorado Red, the Hefe, aka Mr. Supply the Town. You know what I'm talking about? Club 21, Gentlemen's Club, Eldorado Red and the whole BGM Mafia. I will be in the building with the mob, rocking like cut-off stocking. You know what I'm talking about? I need the whole South Carolina to come through and mess with your boy for this, man.
Yeah, that's right. Also performing live, rocking yellow. Tearing the club walls down from front to back. Rapping out because Wall and Thundercat DJs is Michael Jackson G. The ambassador of the trap, DJ Sean John. And you already know we gonna have some of the sexiest entertainers in the building. And it's all going down this Thursday, May the 17th. Club 21, Gentlemen's Club, Orangeburg, South Cat. Eldorado Red's mixtape and video release party. Club 21 is located on 3099 Roseville Road in Orangeburg, South Cat. For more info on Tip Island VIP, contact 413-233-4841.